Hey there, good morning guys. Well man, that weather's looked like it's turning on us. Welcome to fall in Wisconsin with winter around the corner. Well, we here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Madison, we're concerned about your car's needs, especially going into winter. One of the most important things in winter is being able to see, so you always want to make sure you check your wipers. Give it a little squirt, see if there's any streaking. In this case, we're lucky, we got some good wipers going on. But equally, that's a huge area of concern because you don't know you need them until you need them when it gets cold. Another big thing to keep in mind with winter coming and snowy and icy conditions are your tires. You want to make sure your tires are aired up and everything is good. Another concept also sometimes is to change over to snow tires. In my case here, my CX-9, we got all-wheel drive, not that much of a concern. But in some other instances, snow tires are warranted, or if you're more in the country area and the roads don't get plowed as well, you may want to look into snow tires. Come and see us at the dealership so we can help out with that. And then the last and most important thing in winter is you don't want to get stranded. Make sure you give your battery some tender loving care. A lot of times you'll see a little bit of bluish white buildup around the terminal area on the positive or the negative. That's the acid leaking out of the battery. That could lead to a no start situation, especially when it's cold. And likewise, batteries need to be charged and full and tested. Come by and see us. We'll do a courtesy battery test to make sure you're ready to go for winter. You don't want that thing to leave you stranded. Be safe out there. It could be a cold one, but if we check over your car and we can be there to help out, we'll get through winter together. Have a great day, guys.